The clock it ticks, but moves so slow. The weight of time won't let me go. My shoulders ache from all the grind, but now I leave it all behind. The sun dips low, the sky turns gray. It's been a fight to make it stay, but here I sit and let it be. The quiet wraps its arms round me. End of the line, I'm breathing now. Don't need to run, I'll show you how. Let the noise fade, let it unwind. Find a little peace in my own mind. The coffee's cold, but I don't care. A gentle breeze combs through my hair. The world can wait, I'll take my time. This moment's mine, and that's just fine. The stars come out, they paint the night. 1,000 hopes, 1,000 lights. I close my eyes, the world feels small. And in the still, I found it all. End of the line, I'm breathing now. Don't need to run, I'll show you how. Let the noise fade, let it unwind. Find a little peace in my own mind. The clock was ticking slow today. My feet were dragging on the way. Every step a mountain climbed, but now I'm here leaving it behind. It's a long day's end and I'm alright, kicking back under soft warm light. The world can't wait just a little while. I'm breathing deep with a quiet smile. The streets were crowded, pushing tight.